The next question, see here everyone. Sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to sine inverse 56 by 65 you had to prove. This is the March 2018 question, boards level. Now in JEE I gave you sine inverse x plus sine inverse y formulas also in JEE. But in your boards sine inverse x plus sine inverse y formula is not there. But if you want to use in JEE criteria, you can use that formula, no problem, you will get the answer, marks. But if you want directly, you want to use the board level, what you do here, sine inverse, let us take here, keep quiet now. Let us take here, sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to something theta or x or y, anything, theta I took. The sine inverse 3 by 5 is theta, then sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Take the right angle triangle, take the right angle triangle. Here it is the right angle and this is the theta. Sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So this is 5, 3, then this will be 4. So what will be the cos theta formula? Cos theta will be how much? Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Cos theta will be how much? 4 by 5. Sin theta 3 by 5, cos theta 4 by 5. Okay, why I am writing like this? See, there are two methods I told. Either I can convert this is as cos inverse, you can use the cos inverse. But I have to use sin inverse. You can take this is sin inverse, you can use it that. But right now I am just taking the values of sin theta is this is much, cos theta is equal to this much. Now what I am going to do here, now look at here, in this second part, cos inverse 12 by 13, let us take this one as alpha. Then cos alpha will be equal to 12 by 13. Let us take the right angle triangle. This is alpha, this is 13, this is 12. Pythagoras theorem you know na? If you don't know anything, you just use the Pythagoras theorem. If 12, 13, then this will be how much? 5. Right. So if this is 5, then sine alpha will be how much? Sine alpha will be how much? 5 by 13. So I am just using this criteria, that is sine of, see here, sine of, if I use here, I need to get how much here? 56 by 65. Sine of theta plus alpha I can use. Sine of theta plus alpha is how much? Tell me. Sine of theta plus alpha. Sine of, if I am using board level I am using here. Actually JEE level I told the formulas, you can use direct the formulas. Board level we don't have sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. Board level they are not given that formula, but JEE there you have the formula. But even though you can use this criteria, sine of a plus b formula is what? Sine a cos b plus, tell me, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So if I use here, what I get as sine of theta plus alpha is equal to, sine theta is how much? Sine theta is how much here? 3 by 5. Cos alpha is how much here? 4 by 5. And here I can use as cos theta is how much here? Cos theta is 4 by 5. Cos alpha is how much? Cos alpha 12 by 5 na? क्या बोल रहे हो? 12 by 13. Cos alpha is 12 by 13. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Okay. Then sin alpha is how much? Sin alpha 5 by 13. Then you get here, this is how much here? 12 3 is a 36 by 65 plus 4 5 is a 20 by 65. So 65 LCM 56 by 65 you got. So here sine of theta plus alpha is equal to, you got this. So theta plus alpha is equal to how much? Sine inverse 56 by 65. What is theta? Theta is what? Sine inverse 3 by 5. Alpha is what? Cos inverse 12 by 13. This is equal to, we have proved, hence proved it. Theta is what? Theta is what? Sine inverse 3 by 5. Alpha is what? Alpha is cos inverse 12 by 13, and that is equal to, you proved as sine inverse 56 by 65. Once again I will explain, listen to me. This is the 4 marks question, board level, asked in 2018, okay, HSC. How to do it again I will explain. I will recall you once, listen here. What to do? Sine inverse 3 by 5, let us take as theta. Then sine theta equal to 3 by 5. I took the right angle triangle, I put the cos theta value also. Now here cos inverse 12 by 13 is alpha. So cos alpha is 12 by 13. I took sine alpha also. Reason why I am doing, I know that formula is sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. I use this one, sine of theta plus alpha. Why I use theta plus alpha? I have to find theta plus alpha only. Theta means what? Sine inverse 3 by 5. Alpha is what? Cos inverse 12 by 13. So I know, that's why I use this formula. So when I use this formula, I got this value is 56 by 65. Then sine, if I send this side, sine inverse it happens. So sine inverse 56 by 65 is equal to theta plus alpha. Theta is the given this one, alpha is given this one, hence proved. 4 marks question, inverse trigonometry. All problems based on this they are asking. Previously question is 2019, this one is 2018, understood? Yearly in this chapter they are asking one question. So this is asked in March 2017 HSC board. Look at that, HSC board is asking similar questions. That's why I told you take that book and prepare. Even physics, chemistry, maths, English, take previous year book and prepare. After preparing that, you do textbook questions. Deleted syllabus, don't do it. Now look at this question, cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to, I have to prove that cos inverse 33 by 65. How to do this? Look at here. See, in JE, there is a direct formula also there. In JEE, there is a direct formula I gave. But board wise, there is no direct formula. So what we do here in board wise, look at here first. In board wise, what we do here? Let us take cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to theta. Then what I get here? Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Take the right angle triangle. Theta is here. And this is 5, this is 4, then this will be 3. Now, whenever you have cos, you have to get this cos. Then you have to find sine and cos all the time. Previous sum also sine cos I find. First sum I find tan, because there was tan. Okay, tan related formula you have in boards. So here what I use here, cos I use. Cos theta will be is equal to how much? Sine theta. Sine theta will be what? Cos theta already you have. Sine theta will be how much? 3 by 5. So sine theta is 3 by 5. Cos theta is 4 by 5. Now let us take this one. Let us take cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to alpha. Now what I get here? Cos alpha is equal to 12 by 13. Look at here. These are very easy questions. Alpha you take here. And you know this is 13 and then this is 12 and then this will be how much? 5. Pythagoras theorem, no, no. See, at least you should know cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. ये तो होता है ना, opposite by adjacent, tan, like opposite by hypotenuse, sine. This is must be known. So what is sine here? Sine alpha will be how much? 5 by 13. So you got this one. Now you have to use, I have to get cos of something. Use cos. Here I took theta, so theta. Here I took alpha, so alpha. Cos A plus B formula, use it. Now tell me what is cos A plus B formula. Fatafat, cos A plus B formula. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. सही है? Correct है? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. So cos of what I am getting here, theta, theta plus alpha, that is equal to cos theta value, फटाफट 4 by 5. Cos alpha value, फटाफट 12 by 13 minus sin theta value 3 by 5. Cos sin alpha value 5 by 13. So multiply this, I will get 48 by 65 minus 15 by 65. How much I get here? 48 minus 15, 33. 33 by 65 आया, दिख दिया? Cos of theta plus alpha आया, how much? 33 by 65. So theta plus alpha is how much? Theta plus alpha. Theta plus alpha is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. Hence proved. Why? Theta is who? This one. Alpha is who? This one. So this sum I got proved. So I can write hence, therefore we can write as cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to, I can write now, this is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65, hence proved. This is the way they are asking in boards. See, that's very simple. Inverse trigonometry is very simple for the boards. You need to know only formulas. July 2017 question, look at here. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Find the value of x is asking.